So last night, my sister gave me the idea of doing cascarones this year for my niece and nephew, and so I thought of doing the bunny day egg patterns on the eggs, so we shall see if it turns out well. Frankly, I think you don't have to do this, you know, scouring it with an Xacto knife, but you know, I'm sort of a perfectionist and I want all of my eggs to be evenly cut. So this is the paint that I bought at Target. I thought they were kind of close to the Bunny Day colors. I know I have to like mix a few of them. Like this is supposed to be like more muted and like lighter. Okay, so next step is, after filling them up with confetti, next step is to seal them with masking tape. And then what I'm gonna do is actually use some of the tissue like confetti to kind of Modge Podge around right here. So what I'm doing right now is actually like I have layers and layers of Modge Podge, and so what I'm doing is, let me show you guys. I dip the sandpaper in water and kind of leave it there for a little bit, and then you wet sand where you have your Modge Podge so that it kind of blends in with, you know, the real egg. So I'm pretty pleased with the how it turned out. So it took like a whole bunch of Modge Podge layers. Like I did 5 actual Modge Podge layers, and then I did like a baking soda layer, and then I did 1 more Modge Podge, and it turned out really good. Like it's pretty smooth. So once like I paint over it, you probably won't be able to tell where I Modge Podged it. I can't believe I dropped one of the eggs, but at least I know it works. It is legit 4 o'clock, and I shouldn't have procrastinated on the cascarones, and I didn't think the paint would be like super runny, because I guess I haven't used acrylics in a long time, but I think I should replace all of them with heavy body like eventually. I think I'm like 70% satisfied with how I painted them. Of course, like 3 of them were like very rushed, so you can probably tell which ones they are because like it's not, the brush strokes are not as crisp. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe you learned something as well, and until next time, bye bye.